What we have here is the Level Life system. Everything in this system is completely customizable. Here you'll see a cover page title and logo. Below this you'll see the dashboard. Here you'll see 4 buttons: Status, Marketplace, View Quests, and Create a Quest. These are quick action buttons. On the right side, you'll see this Enemies Status window. Here you can create enemies or monsters, and you deal damage to them and kill them by earning EXP by completing your quests. Next up is this Player Status window over here. Here you'll see your stats such as rank, level, tier, next level, progress bar, and gold balance. If you find this a bit confusing, don't worry, because after you get this system, you'll be provided with a full in-depth customization and walkthrough guide. Below this player page, you'll find widgets. You can add widgets like flip clock, quotes, Pomodoro study timer, etc. in this vision board. You can also add some visualizations of your goals. Below this, you'll find a class and subclass section. This is like areas of life you want to focus on with subcategories as subclass. Like, for example, I've created 4 classes, namely student, entrepreneur, combatant, and scholar. In the subclasses, I've created subcategories of each class. Below this, you will get a marketplace, which functions like a reward system. If you want to practice delayed gratification, this feature is extremely helpful. Again, you can customize everything in this system, as I've explained in the tutorial videos you'll get after you get this system. You can add as many rewards as you like. Next up is this quest board over here. You'll be able to see all your quests here. Inside a quest, you can write its directions, add emoji, then your class, player. Also, I've added a new feature, which is enemy. You can select your enemy, like if you don't do this quest, where you will end up in the future. For example, for this quest, if I don't study, I'll be illiterate for lifetime. So I'll select or create this option. Below this, you'll see a health bar of your enemy. It will decrease according to how much progress you've made. Like if I have 10 tasks for this quest, and I complete 5, enemy's health bar will drop to 50%. You can also link your monsters as enemies in this. Below this, you'll find the difficulty of the quest. This decides how much EXP you'll earn from each quest. Below this, you'll find formula properties of EXP and gold earned. If you change and customize the EXP system, make sure to change this as well. I've explained it in depth and the tutorial, which you'll receive after you get this system. You can also use the sort filter for the quest board by active, class, difficulty, and you'll also get a logbook, where you'll be able to view your past quests in the logbook section. If you have quests which are habits or which you do daily, click on this blue button over here, select New Template, create your quest, add details, then click on it again. Click on 3 dots, select Repeat and Daily. With this, your quest will be created automatically on a daily basis. If you want this system, check the link in the description or the comments section. After you get the system, you will also be given a full walkthrough and customization tutorial. So if you're a beginner, you can also use this with ease.